Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make moi moi. These are the ingredients that we will need: beans, that is black eyed peas, red pepper, onion, ginger, curry powder, chili, pepper, sunflower oil, seasoning cube, salt to taste. I added egg, but it is optional. So first we will wash the bean. You add warm water to it, leave for 2 minutes, and then break it down with the blender to remove the skin. Wash up the skin. You can wash this off many times as possible to remove all the skin, and then use your hand to pick out the remaining skin of the bean, and you will get clean washed beans, and then you grind. I grinded everything together with the red pepper, with the onion and the ginger to get this color, and then I will add the chili pepper, the curry powder, the spices, the seasoning cube, and salt to taste. I'll mix everything together, add the oil, and then I'll start putting it into the foil. I am using a foil. I prepared a foil to earlier on to use and cook it. So you will notice that I did not add more water to the moi moi. It's because the water I used to grind it is okay. I achieved the consistency that I needed. That was why I didn't add more water. So you scoop the moi moi into the foil. My foil is big, that's why I added 2 cooking spoons. Just like I said earlier, egg is optional. You can decide not to add egg, and then you wrap the foil very well and cook for 45 to 50 minutes, and your moi moi is ready. Here I don't have access to plantain or banana leaves, so I prefer to use the foil. That way you don't have to wash anything after. So that is it. We have come to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and share the video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to stay hydrated. Bye.